I've actually never bought a place that I could just move into and it feel completely finished. So that's a bit of a privilege. Did you have to make any additions?
So, I mean, mostly we will eventually, I think, you know, think about how we want the sort of side, upstairs and downstairs to connect a little bit better. But we just sort of want to have a little bit of a break, I think, and having, you know, big move. We love it the way it is. So the main things, I think that, you know, just to cover us over a few years, were aircon, coming from Sydney, not Queenslanders, my partner particularly, have to have the aircon in, and then therefore we sort of had to definitely put solar.
Yeah, okay.
So solar was definitely a big priority, make the most of the sun. We've got a flat roof. You know, I'm not sure what the insulation's like. It does get a little bit hot, so we've got those solar panels to definitely absorb all that heat on this flat roof and definitely make use of, you know, don't have to feel guilty about running the aircon all day.
This beautiful home in the Gold Coast features a whopping 13 kilowatts worth of solar power. That will generate over 30 kilowatts worth of electricity, which is more than enough for the average household. This system was installed by one of our good friends, Fair Solar, who not only operate here in southeast Queensland, but also across the entire country. When looking to install solar power, you want to make sure you're working with a reputable brand, as well as a quality installer. In this scenario, Fair Solar offer for customers a 100% production guarantee. They're saying if the system does not produce what they say it's going to, they're going to put cash back into your bank. They also offer a 3-month and 12-month health check of the system to ensure it's optimised and working as it should be, which means over the duration of the system's life, you're going to get exactly what you've paid for and hopefully a lot more.